Welcome to the CYMO Pro community. If you're ready to transform your trading, you're in the right place. Let's unveil the robust advantages of our CYMO Pro indicators. Ready to elevate your trading game? Let's dive in. Why do our indicators only fire signals after the bar closes? This strategic decision is all about precision. By utilizing complete and finalized data, the CYMO Pro indicators offer unparalleled accuracy and stability. Imagine trading with signals so reliable that you can move forward with each trade with utmost confidence. This means that every signal you act on is based on firm, confirmed market data. No guesses, just strategy. We wait for the bar to close to shield you from the chaos of intra-bar price fluctuations. This critical feature slashes the risk of false signals dramatically, empowering you to make swift, confident trading decisions. At the heart of CYMO Pro indicators lie stability and reliability. Each signal stems from rigorously analyzed price movements, sharpening your trading decisions by cutting through the noise and fleeting market shifts. This precision-focused approach directs your attention to genuine market actions, enhancing the effectiveness of your trades. Embracing CYMO Pro means more than just using a tool. It means you are gearing up with a strategic powerhouse in the trading arena. By reducing the clutter of false alarms and zeroing in on confirmed market action, CYMO Pro equips you with the insights to make informed, strategic, and bold trading decisions. Thank you for joining this insightful overview of the CYMO Pro indicators. We're here to revolutionize your trading experience by providing you with the most accurate and dependable indicators available. Are you ready to witness a remarkable improvement in your trading outcomes? Click the link in the description for a 7-day free trial of the CYMO Pro and begin trading with precision, confidence, and success. Don't just take our word for it. Experience the CYMO Pro difference yourself. Visit our website to learn more and become a vital part of the CYMO Pro community. Trade smarter, trade with confidence, and stay several steps ahead of the market with the CYMO Pro indicators.